Well, hello there, arty aliens. Welcome back to Drawing Stuff with Paul Yeatman. It's been a while, hasn't it? Can't remember what I said last time on the channel, but it probably went something along the lines like the hard drive I had all my videos and files for producing this stuff went kaput, and my backup didn't back up properly, even though I had on-site backup and off-site backup. So some of my files are screwed. I can't remember if these things had audio with them, or I actually can, but I can't find the audio files. So I'll need to remake those at some point. But anyway, today you've probably figured out that I am drawing a vampire. So I've started out using, I think it was 2B pencil. I prefer the thick Staler pencils at the moment. So I'll either use grey lead or blue ones to start things out. When I drew this drawing, I think it was back in February, I went through a lot of, not a lot, maybe a few days to a week or two of using the smudge pencil for lots of shading. And here I am doing the colouring in, trying to get a bit fancy with 3 different levels of Copic markers in spots, if I remember correctly. Didn't do much in the way of fine liner on this, I don't think, until the very end. So I just went through using skin tones, layering them up. This is all on a standard sketch pad, so there's a bit of bleed through, and I think it tends to suck the inks out of some of the pens as well. So I've really got to get into either drawing the base sketches and then printing it out on the bleed proof paper, or just doing the whole stuff on bleed proof. But we'll see what we go. Always think about it, never get to it. So lots of shading here. We're assuming the light's coming from his or its left. There we go. We're down to fine liner now, which I thought we needed a bit of fine liner because we'll just make the picture a bit more standy outy. And then we're doing a bit of a background just to make the image stand out from the back and be a bit more, I don't know, bold. So you can see here, Copic markers on not bleed proof paper doesn't go particularly well when you're doing lots of it, but works out okay for the materials I'm using. Anyway, I've got I think another 8 videos I've recorded recently, which I need to actually script out the talkies, because at the moment this is very much ad lib, which you can probably tell, very unfinished. That's more so I can get a video up just for the heck of it and try to get back into the swing of things. So yeah, there we go. Vampire in Copic markers and normal sketchpad. If you like this, subscribe. Apparently commenting is the way to go on YouTube these days, but who the hell knows? Never going to get rich doing this. Let's do it for shits and giggles. So yeah, if you want to check me out on Instagram, I post there pretty much most days at the moment. I'm up to 101, 102 drawings in a row at the moment, because I've got back into that as of the start of the year. I think I missed the 12th of January, which is why it's not up to 112 or so. But yeah, subscribe, do it now. And take care, and come back for more videos sometime soon, hopefully. Ciao!